Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates for those of you na gusto mo personal reading. Jing Tarot Reader, friend ko yan guys. But if you want na sa akin, pumunta ka na lang sa Facebook, search mo yung Facebook page namin, Unipri, UNIPRI. Ayan, habang sinashuffle ko, ito yung details, And, I'm sorry, yung Facebook page pa na namin is Madam P. Madam P. Unipri. Yan yung aming Facebook page. Search mo na lang. TikTok shop Unipri, UNIPRI. Kung gusto mong mag-avail ng mga products sa amin such as Evil Eyes, Crystals. Mostly ng aming Evil Eyes, especially yung mga necklace, is may kasamang crystal yon such as the pyrite crystal. So, yun ay nag-a-attract ng luck. So, hindi siya lang basta protection. Mostly ng aming necklace. Like this one. Gusto ko lang ipakita habang nag-shuffle ako, no? Para, ayan. Wait lang. Okay, Virgo. Ayan. By the end of this video, try ko ipakita na more itong necklace for those of you na interested. Just so you know. Mamaya ko na lang siya ipapakita. So, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate sa reading, huwag mong pilitin. Hindi naman to personal, no? So, kung gusto mo magpa-personal, book ka na lang po. The Sun and the Five of Cups and the Eight of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Eight of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I can see that some of you is nagiging happy, pero at the same time, malungkot. Virgo. Kasi, pwedeng with the Eight of Pentacles, yung iba sa inyo, you could be very busy right now or thinking about money. Pero may mga part pa rin sa inyo na nakakapagpalungkot. Or yung iba sa inyo, hindi ikaw malungkot but people around you na nagiging dahilan na dapat focus ka sa pagtatrabaho, sa career mo, ganto ganyan. Kaya lang hindi, may mga changes dito sa taong to or sa karanasan nitong particular person na ito. Mas more on sa inyo nakikita ko yung tao sa paligid mo ang nakakaranas ng kalungkutan sa ngayon. Pero ikaw, nakakita tayo ng happiness for you. May mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo na parang hindi ka sanay. I can see happiness, some of you, no? Na pwedeng may kinalaman sa maybe friends or bigla ang mga taong dumadating sa buhay mo. I can see that. So anyway, sino to person na kakonect mo? Pagdating sa love, this is love reading. Yung reading natin daily is love, okay? Almost daily pala. Next kasi recently hindi ako masyado nakaread gawa ng medyo na-busy po ako. Queen of Swords, okay, this person could be the person na pwedeng kinakat off ka or vice versa, kinakat off mo. Knight of Cups, I can see love and interest sa'yo, pero I don't get it. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kinakat off ka ng person na to. Or ikaw ito nagka-cut off sa kanya kahit interesado siya sa'yo. Or vice versa, kahit interesado siya sa'yo, kina-cut off ka niya. Pwedeng ganun. And you do have here the Four of Pentacles. I feel like may nakabantay dito sa person na to. Parang pareho kayong nasa maling sitwasyon or pangit na sitwasyon ngayon. Pagdating sa kung bakit hindi nagko-connect yung connection ninyo. Page of Pentacles is here. Okay, this person is full of trickery. I feel like full of lies, full of trickery. Parang may mga bagay siyang pinapakita na parang hindi naman totoo. I don't know kung sa'yo. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, kung na-cut off ka na, pwedeng hindi sa'yo. Pwedeng doon sa mga tao sa paligid niya. May mga pinapakita siyang hindi naman totoo. The Eight of Swords is here. So, okay. Yung iba sa inyo, this connection is Could be one of you or both of you is stuck in a relationship or another connection. Eight of Swords. Kasi nakakita tayo dito ng pambablock or there's a block in the connection. Emotions. Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa, spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of a Virgo. Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa. The Hermit is here. Okay, you are in a hermit mode. Six of Cups, tinatry mong ayusin ang buhay mo, sarili mo, career mo. Yung iba might be may kinalaman sa health na rin. You're trying to fix yourself. Two of Cups, maybe relationship. King of Cups. I feel like you do love this person or gusto mo siya or gusto mo yung company niya. Okay? Gusto mo yung pag nandyan siya or yung connection ninyo. You like that. Okay? But part of you is pwedeng nahihirapan or nasaktan, na-disappoint. Sino tong person na to? Yung emotion naman niya. Okay. You do have here the World and the Ten of Swords. Okay. Six of Swords and the Eight of Cups. Okay, this person is moving on ngayon dahil sa ending na nangyari sa inyo or nangyayari sa inyo. May mga bagay siyang ayaw mawala. No? Kasi kukunin sa kanya. Or mawawala sa kanya. So, the energy is like this, no? If you're dealing with someone na may, let's say, may asawa or what, pwedeng ayaw niyang mawala. Either yung asawa na yun or yung mga anak nila, parang ganun. Or maybe things na kailangan niya. Ayaw niya mawala yun. So, the World is here. So, alam niyang ayaw niya yung sitwasyon or pangit yung sitwasyon. Or hindi niya gusto yung sitwasyon. But, parang the choice is, the only option for now is i-end or mag-end yung connection ninyo. So, masakit para sa kanya yung bagay na yun. Some of you, you're still waiting, naghihintay, or part of you. Yung iba sabihin hindi, pero some of you, yung iba sa inyo, mostly, nakukuha natin may paghihintay. May mga gustong mabawi or makuha. Okay, what will happen in the future for the both of you? In the near future, there's this Four of Cups, Nine of Cups, Queen of Cups, the Devil, and the King of Wands. Wait lang ha. Okay, lagay ko lang dyan. Honestly, yung iba, there's this paghihintay pa rin. Nine of Pentacles. Ang daming attracted sa'yo. No? In the future, ganun pa rin. Ang dumadami lalo. And the more you talk, or the more, I don't know, yung iba sa inyo, maybe you know how to sing, or magaling kang, but using your mouth or your words, kung ito ay may kinalaman sa pagkanta, pag speech, or using your words, your mouth mismo, marami kang mas ma-attract na tao. And they will be like admiring you. Ang daming hahanga sa'yo. Different ages, different people, different ano, iba-iba eh. Iba-iba. Well, I can see with the Four of Cups. And the Nine of Cups. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko kasi gusto yung feeling. Wait lang. I-clarify ko to. What's with the Nine of Cups? Two of Pentacles. Clarified by the Two of Swords. I mean, naiiyak ako guys. Sa totoo lang. Kasi hindi ko gusto yung feeling. Na parang gusto ko na nga tigil yung reading kasi nasasaktan ako dito. Yung feeling is masakit. Parang may mga bagay na kukunin or aagawin sa'yo or mawawala sa'yo. Like, I rarely do this, no? Rarely ko lang to gawin. Kasi, okay, hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. Medyo rare ko lang kasi tong sasabihin. Dahil of course, honestly, no one can predict the, when it comes to life and death. No one can predict that. Wala. But, ayun talaga yung nakuha kong message eh. There's something na pwedeng mawala sa'yo and it could be because a particular person is living your life, and it could be because yun na yung time. Hindi lahat guys, okay? Hindi lahat. Hinga-hinga lang tayo, hindi lahat. And so, habang nandyan pa, is i-acknowledge mo or pahalagahan mo, mahalin mo. Lalo na kung importante sa'yo itong mga taong to. Lahat naman, kahit sino mga tao sa paligid mo na importante sa'yo, dapat ibigay mo yung love na yun. Kasi no one knows, diba? Just be there for the people, for the person talagang mahalaga or mahal mo. And so, pwede may mga bagay na mawala or kunin sa'yo. And for what I can see here, it could be a person. No? I can see food. So, pwedeng someone who really do likes food or who loves to cook or what. Mahilig magluto. Yung iba, guys, it could be kunin na yun nga, yung life or kunin na talaga mawala sa buhay mo. Ganun. Yung parang could be meron ditong Two of Wands eh. Two of Swords eh. Could be because of a decision. So, pwedeng mawala sa'yo yung taong to because of a particular decision. Justice card is here. Is Libra energy. Yung iba pwedeng may marriage na involved dito. The Ace of Wands is here. Huwag kang magalala kasi kung ano man yung mga bagay na mawawala, there's a new beginning or may mga bagong dadating naman sa buhay mo. So, it means pwedeng yung lesson mo doon sa taong ito is nakuha mo na or tapos na. So, you just proceed to the next chapter of your life. Yun lang yun. The person that you're dealing with is the Queen of Cups. Well, mahihirapan itong taong ito na makawala dito sa situation with the devil. I feel like this is a manipulator, a boss, maybe a partner na nagbibigay ng sakit ng ulo sa kanya. But with the King of Wands, nandun yung, hindi, pipilit ko to, ilalaban ko to. Tell me about this. Andito, kanina, guys, kanina nagpakita is Two of Swords, Two of Pentacles. So, andito si Two of Wands. So, there's this, actually, apat na tunay nagpakita eh. Angel number 2222. Yan, apat na to. Or, 222. 222. Tatlong to. Tapos, apat na to. Those are the angel numbers na nagpakita. Judgment is here. The Fool. Some kind of awakening. Seven of Pentacles is here. May takot eh. I feel like itong person na to may takot sa'yo. But, there's a but eh. Alam mo yun, hindi pa tapos yung gusto kong tapusin yung reading, but there's a but. What's the but? Ano yun? Pero, parang may pero pa eh. The Emperor is here. Knight of Pentacles, okay. The Moon is at the bottom of the deck. Nakakita tayo ng, I feel like some of you, Knight of Pentacles, pwede mag-reach out itong person na to in the near future for you. Because there's a realization about the love here, the new beginning na gusto niyang simulan. The Emperor, this is your person. Bigla na lang magugulat ka, magpapap siya sa buhay mo ulit, or biglang dadating sa buhay mo. And you will, yung iba sa inyo, parang hindi kumbaga dadating siya sa time na hindi mo ine-expect. Oh my gosh. Parang I'm seeing a new person here na biglang dadating sa buhay mo na parang hindi mo ina-expect. Someone who really do loves dogs, pets, ganun. I can see a lot of communication. Yeah. Aries energy, Sagittarius. Magugulat ka na lang sa pagdating or pagbalik nitong taong to sa buhay mo. Yung iba kasi new person, yung iba there's could be a past person and I cannot tell honestly, but there's a person na biglang dadating sa buhay mo. Okay? Magugulat ka na lang. Hindi mo to ina-expect. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.